Governor Tom Wolf says that his order that allows only life-sustaining businesses to remain open is vital to slowing the spread of the virus. The list of businesses the state considers life-sustaining and not is long and it's detailed. Shelby Cassesse has it. She's live now with some of the key information. Shelby.
Ken, Monday afternoon, Governor Tom Wolf strongly urged all non-essential businesses to close, but today he ordered it. This went into effect tonight with enforcement set to begin on Saturday. Governor Tom Wolf taking further action Thursday as some non-essential businesses remained open despite the governor's request.
Unfortunately, we have not seen full compliance.
Now those businesses have been ordered to close. All types of construction and mining, aside from oil and gas extraction, will shut down, along with most types of manufacturing. Most retailers, car dealerships, and professional services like law firms will also close. Grocery stores, gas stations, and auto parts stores will be allowed to stay open. Most transportation services like the Port Authority will continue to operate. Essential businesses also include all utilities and trash collection. Those that don't follow the new regulations face consequences like citations, fines, and suspensions. Businesses may also forfeit their ability to receive disaster relief. Governor Wolf says he's heard from many concerned about their businesses.
My administration is already working every channel to find ways to support businesses and workers. But before we can save livelihoods, we must save lives.
The enforcing agencies include the State Liquor Control Board, Departments of Health and Agriculture, state police, and local officials. As of Thursday afternoon, the state had 52 new cases of coronavirus, 185 cases total. In Allegheny County, 6 new cases were announced Thursday, bringing the total to 18. For the first time, county officials say some of the new cases were caused by community spread, but there are few available details about those cases.
Certainly not all of them are community spread. And again, as I've said, we do, based on other cities and other experiences, we know that number is going to increase.
Now, we've received plenty of emails and calls into the KDKA newsroom with questions about particular businesses, if they're essential or non-essential, and what exactly constitutes a non-essential business. Well, we have a full list of those businesses and if they are allowed to continue to operate or not on our website, KDKA.com. Reporting live in downtown Pittsburgh, Shelby Cassesse, KDKA News.